I am a medical student of the European University in the ND program of a 6th year course, and we have a subject known as section course in our course included. So in this subject we have an exposure towards the cadavers inside the clinic, where we have a clear opportunity to have a dissection under the supervision of the lecturers or the professors, where we can dissect the cadaver and remove each and every organ which have been damaged or having some kind of problems, where we can dissect each and every individual organ separately to make a particular slide to know or see visually what is going wrong inside these slides.
I'm 6th year medical student studying MD program, and in here as one of our course subject, it is the section course. And the section course, it is mostly the continuation of the pathology what we have learned. So in pathology it is mostly the slides which I've seen, and in here we see the procedure from the starting. So like what is autopsy and how is the dissection done. So before the dissection we see the external examination of the cadaver itself. So if there are any bruises or what can we see, if any clue is there to link it to the cause of the death of the cadaver. And then after the external examination we see how is the incisions made, as there are different types of incision and different methods of dissection. The incisions can be Y incision or I incision. So after the incisions are made, so the body organs are taken out, so either in one whole block or in the different blocks depending upon which type of method we are continuing. And so after the organs have been taken out, so we cut them into small slices which can be visualized under the microscope. So how is this visualization is done is also we have learnt in this particular subject, because after the slices have been taken, first we have to fix the tissue and then see it under the microscope, because the architecture is more preserved when the tissues are fixated. After the organs have been dissected from the cadaver, so in the university we have a lab in which we fixate the tissue, which we take it from the organ. So when the slices have been done, so we take the slices and then we use this paraffin wax to fix it in the cassettes. So after it, then we do it the cooling. So after it has been cooled for some time, and then what he is doing, he is taking all the slices and then making into the the pathology slide which we can see under the microscope.